Hey Bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. This is going to be an update video because I have been gone from YouTube for like about a month now, and I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on. Thank God this time I wasn't away from YouTube because I was like uninspired or anything like that, because sometimes I do get in those funks to where I'm just like, I don't want to film, like I can't do this, I get kind of overwhelmed. But I actually took a break for a bunch of good reasons, so I just want to kind of update you guys on what I've been doing. One huge thing I want to start off by telling you guys is the campaign that I was working with NYX on is now out. The Can't Stop Won't Stop foundations is in stores, and my face is also in stores and online. It's such a crazy feeling. Like seriously guys, I get so many messages and videos from you guys of y'all going to Ulta or to your local NYX store and seeing my face or the posters with my face on them, and it is just amazing. It's honestly a huge dream come true. Thank you so much NYX. And to make it better, Alyssa Ashley was also collaborating with NYX on this foundation. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of her and her sister. I've talked about them in so many videos before. I watch her YouTube videos constantly. She's an amazing artist, so talented. Her and her sister are just amazing. So to find out that she was behind the scenes helping make this foundation just made the honor so much bigger. I mean, the foundation is amazing. I'm wearing it right now. If you can't tell, the coverage is bomb as fuck, and it was so diverse. I mean, the whole campaign was just beautiful. Make sure you go buy it. My shade is medium buff. You can also go on the NYX website and see charts. You'll see my face under medium buff. So that's one huge thing that's really been going on. Another really big thing that's been going on is I have been collaborating with Forever 21, which is completely unreal to me, you guys. Like, just completely unreal. If you would have told me last year that I'd be collaborating with Forever 21 and going to events with them, I would have told you were insane. I would not have believed you, but it's true. Oh my god, it's such a huge dream come true for me. I've collaborated with them on 2 events so far. Their back to school denim event and then their grand opening here in Texas as well. But that's not even the most exciting thing, you guys. So I recently have been talking to them, and for all my love bugs in Cedar Hill or around Cedar Hill, a huge event is coming up, and it's so amazing because the other events, other influencers were with me and Nathan as well. You know, we were talking to them, but on this event that's coming up, it will only be me and Nathan. It's kind of like an exclusive event only for like our supporters, and I just think it's so amazing, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to vlog it for you guys so everybody who's not local can also see it. And also another reason why I've been so MIA from YouTube is I have been traveling so much this summer. We went to Laguna Beach, we took Noah to Disneyland. So cute. Last one. Oh, Minnie gave you a kiss. It's just been amazing, and I vlogged all of it for you guys, so I'm going to edit those after this video goes up because I definitely want y'all to be updated before I start posting anything else. I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys saying that you really miss my vlogs and that you want to see what I've been up to, so I can't wait to get those up for you guys. And right now I just wanted to answer some of your questions that you tweeted me. By the way, just want to tell you guys, if you're only subscribed to my YouTube, you are missing out because I'm constantly on my Twitter, constantly on my Instagram, on my Snapchat, posting all the stuff that I've been doing, posting content like makeup looks and stuff like that. So definitely, if you haven't followed me on those social media platforms, do it now. All of my ads are in the description box down below. But now let's move on to some of your questions. So I told you guys to tweet me some questions for this video, and one question was, what are some of your goals that you have accomplished? By the way, love you. I love you too. So definitely one of my goals that I've accomplished is seeing my face in stores. Shout out NYX again. And I guess just seeing my face like connected to such an amazing diverse brand, because that's always been such a huge thing to me. I always said that if I were to ever come out with a makeup line or collaborate with a makeup brand, that my products were going to be diverse so that everybody could use them. Because growing up where my mom's skin is pretty pale, I'm tan, and my sister's black, it was very hard to find a makeup brand that had all of our foundation shades. Even concealer shades was really hard to find. And even when we would all go shopping together, I could see my sister really struggle to try to find her shade. So for NYX to come out with such an amazing product that has so many shades that cater to so many different skin tones, and for that to be my first campaign that I ever work on with a brand, I mean, it was amazing. That's definitely a huge goal that I feel like I've achieved. The next question is, what keeps you going every day? What keeps me going is definitely my family. A lot of days can get very hard, you know, just personal stuff that goes on along with all the social media stuff. The main thing that keeps me going is my boyfriend and my mom. They're my rock. I mean, I would be nothing without my mom. She's taught me everything that I know. You know, I am who I am because of her. So I definitely keep them very, very close to me. I talk to my mom all day, every single day. The next question is, will you film another video with the love bugs soon? I would love to. I really want to film a get drunk with my love bugs, or like a drunk makeup tutorial with them. I feel like that would be really, really fun. So definitely keep your eyes out for that. I'll be having it soon. Of course, it'll have to be a local love bug. The next question is, what's the most challenging thing you have faced becoming popular on social media? I think the most challenging thing that I've faced is, I think it's just when I see people kind of throw their opinions on me out there without like even kind of being like a subscriber or a follower, or even like really knowing who I am. Like they don't really watch any of my videos or anything. They kind of just, you know, don't like me for whatever reason, which is fine. I don't expect everybody in the world to like me. That's literally impossible. I know people are gonna dislike me. I know that I'm not everybody's cup of tea, but just to like throw their opinion on me out there, that kind of gets on my nerves. But it's like, I can't comment on it, you know, like I don't have that privilege anymore to kind of like go off on somebody or check somebody or like, you know, say whatever I want to say to them, because I definitely want to be a role model for you guys. I know I'm crazy, I know I'm totally insane, and I'm probably going to be like the worst role model ever, but I try, guys. I really try. It's just something that comes with the territory, and you know, you just kind of have to work through it. When you're confident in who you are and you know who you are, it doesn't really matter what others say about you. So the next question is, what's your favorite thing about meeting your love bugs? Oh my god, I love meeting you guys. I've actually met so many of my local love bugs. It's insane. Like when I go out to clubs or when I go out to eat and y'all come up to me, it's such an amazing feeling. And you know what's even crazier? My favorite thing is when I'm like out somewhere and I kind of see somebody like staring at me, and they come up to me and they're like, oh my god, I watch all your videos. You've helped me so much with your advice. I love your makeup looks. I want to be where you are someday. There's people that come up to me and say, well, if you've made it this far, I can make it this far. You know, like, you did it, why can't I do it too? And that's just so inspiring to me, because it just reminds me, like, I started off so small. I really didn't even believe I would get anywhere when I started doing makeup and like posting my looks and stuff like that. Like, I didn't even believe in myself, and yet here I am. You know, like, I've made it this far. Again, I'm not where I want to be, but I've made it this far. You can make it this far. So I think that's my favorite thing about meeting you guys, is every time y'all come up to me, it's a new story, it's a new person, and y'all just inspire me so much. I hope you enjoyed this update video, and I hope you're ready for some more videos coming soon. I just have to edit them, post them, I promise. It's just editing totally sucks, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs.